Hi guys, definitely Mario here. Today we want to work on our multiplayer ability. So let me first show you. Hi guys, I want to show you the result at the end of this video. Let me bring in the server view. Server, join server. And I bring this guy in position over here. And if I take now the cup, he will see the cup in my hand at the button. You see? I can drop it. He sees that. I take the bottle. You see on my left knee the outer border of the bottle. So I hold it. And if I want to place it here, it's gone. That is our result. We can now see them only as the first person controller on room mode and on the third person body, and not anymore floating around. So yeah, let us go into work. Okay, now let us go to Unreal. What we would change first. Let me get you the right window. So now you see the host and the server. And if I go here, you see he can see me carrying the cup with me. We don't want that. So this can be fixed very easy. You only have to go to our hold item visual and press only owner cease. Then you compile it. And if we now go into the game and make the same, let me go short, make here, bring back the server. If we now get the cup, he don't sees anymore I get the cup, but he sees I bring the cup. So what we want now is he sees the cup in my right hand instead of sees nothing. So let us go on this topic now. So for that we had to get us a little here, I think, yeah. And that's the from first match, that one. So now we had to make us a socket. On a socket here in this arm, right hand. Let us look for the right, or I can disable this. Right thing. Let us search for it. Left hand, right hand. So normally people use things with their right hand. So we got here and add a socket. We name the socket pick up items. Perfect. Now let us make a preview. Not here, here, and preview match asset the cup. Now we can see our cup will be The position of him is very wrong. So we need, where's our socket? Oh, there's our socket. So let us position it a little better. I will not do it perfect. If you want to do it better, with this, you see how you could do it better. So yeah, let us save it. So, and now if we go here back into our character, we will get our mesh here. Yeah, this is and we add some scene object here, and we call that remote item visual. This will only be seen no, that will not work because we can't choose the socket. Let us go here. There we can choose the socket, and here we can make a socket too. Okay. Remote held item visual, and the socket we need here is our let's take our cup here. Why I cannot? So, and we need our pickup item. Here to zero him out, and you see the item will be there. We go on owner, and we say owner will not see this item because this item is only for the network. Now here we want to remove the cap. So when we go back into our pickup item here, and where we do it. Yeah. So let us bring this a little bit more down and take our remote, bring him here, and set static mesh. Yeah, and we want to set this static mat and set visibility to and here we need the same. Here it is, and we need again our static mesh. So now the player should see the item at the place we had make it. So now we want to test it. So we take our player, take our cup, and you see the cup in my hand. You can see that? What not yet will work is if I drop the item, I still have it. So we had to fix that up. So For that, we need our drop function. In here, you see we set the static mesh back to none. So we do it with the remove static mesh to set static mesh. And we simply set them back to none. Sorry, my cold goes a little heavier than normal. So we take this and now if we start, yeah, we got one more we had to done is the place. Is my place or drop? There it is. This can be. Here we had to do the same. And now it should work as intended. Now I will show you again. Now if I pick it up, it's in my hand. If I drop it, it dropped. Okay, we need the players a little bit more together, maybe so. Yeah, I think that will be good. Take up all our flash. Yeah, you can. Now you can see. You see the the outer border of the bullet, of the bottle bullet. It's not a FPS. And now it's gone. So all work as intended. And the next video we will make a blend mode. So if we carry an item, our arm will not be straight down. For this video we had enough. I hope you liked it. If you're not at our Discord, I would love to see you there. If you want, let me a subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye guys.